Chapter 7: Festival of Lights Embracing Diwali with Raj. Kemi's friend Raj had invited her to celebrate Diwali, also known as the Festival of Lights, with his family. Curiosity filled Kemi's heart as she embarked on a new cultural journey, eager to learn about the traditions and significance of this joyous celebration. As Kemi stepped into Raj's home, she was greeted with warmth and the scent of aromatic spices. The house was adorned with vibrant decorations, and the flickering light of diyas, small oil lamps, filled the room. It was a sight that immediately enveloped her in a sense of enchantment and excitement. Raj's family welcomed Kemi with open arms, explaining the significance of Diwali. They spoke about the triumph of light over darkness, the victory of good over evil, and the importance of love, forgiveness, and harmony in their lives. Kemi listened attentively, absorbing every word, and realizing the universal values embedded in the festival. To celebrate, Kemi joined Raj and his family in lighting diyas. They carefully placed the colorful lamps around the house, symbolizing the victory of light and knowledge. As the flames flickered, Kemi felt a sense of peace and hope wash over her. The festive spirit continued as they engaged in the art of rangoli. Kemi watched in awe as intricate designs were created on the floor using vibrant powdered colors. Raj and his family guided her, teaching her the patterns and symbols that carry deep meanings, signifying blessings, prosperity, and welcome. Kemi's senses were further delighted by the aroma of traditional sweets, known as mithai, filling the air. Raj's mother had prepared an array of delectable treats, including gulab jamun, barfi, and jalebi. Kemi couldn't resist indulging in the rich flavors, savoring each bite with delight. In the evening, the family gathered for prayers and rituals. Kemi participated wholeheartedly, feeling a sense of unity and connection as they chanted mantras and offered prayers for blessings and prosperity. She admired the devotion and spirituality that radiated through the room, recognizing the power of faith and gratitude. As the night deepened, fireworks illuminated the sky, adding to the magic of the occasion. Kemi and Raj watched the sparkling colors burst forth, symbolizing the triumph of light and the dispelling of darkness. They laughed and shared stories, cherishing the joyous moments of togetherness. In the midst of the celebration, Kemi realized that Diwali was not just about the customs and rituals, but also about the values it represented. The festival taught her the importance of spreading light, kindness, and love in the world, and the significance of forgiveness and harmony in fostering positive relationships. As the evening came to a close, Kemi bid farewell to Raj and his family, grateful for the opportunity to experience Diwali firsthand. She carried with her a newfound understanding of the Festival of Lights and the profound lessons it held. Walking home, Kemi marveled at the beauty of diversity within her Nigerian community. She knew that embracing and celebrating the traditions and customs of different cultures enriched her own life and helped build bridges of understanding and respect. With a heart filled with gratitude and a deeper appreciation for the values of light, forgiveness, and harmony, Kemi eagerly awaited the next chapter of her Nigerian journey, where she would explore the captivating world of Nigerian folklore and legends, discovering the mythical creatures that roamed the land.